Difference between auto_now and auto_now_add. What I understood in Django models fields attributes is auto_now updates the value of field to current time and date every time the model.save is called. Auto_now_add updates the value with the time and date of creation of record. My question is, what if a filed in model contains both the auto_now and auto_now_add set to true? What happens in that case?
Auto_now takes precedence, obviously, because it updates field each time, while auto_now_add updates on creation only. Here is the code for date field.pre_save method. As you can see, if auto_now is set or both auto_now_add is set and the object is new, the field will receive current day. The same for datetime field.pre_save.
According to the Django documentation, using both auto_now and auto_now_add in your model fields as true will result in an error because they are both mutually exclusive.
As official Django documentation says, auto_now, auto_now_add and default are mutually exclusive and will result in an error if used together.
These fields are built into Django for expressly this purpose. Auto_now fields are updated to the current timestamp every time an object is saved and are therefore perfect for tracking when an object was last modified, while an auto_now_add field is saved as the current timestamp when a row is first added to the database and is therefore perfect for tracking when it was created.